Yeah, my loving people, my love people, how are you all doing? I'm yet back again. I'm back to close all my trade. I think I'm ready to close all this trade now. Let me close this trade with you. Close position. Let me do it at once. Close all positions. Yeah, I'm doing it at once. So you can see I'm sitting at $2,000. At least I'll make some losses, but I've recovered. See my trade for today. There are a few losses, but at least I'm still on a profit of 470. You know, yeah, I've closed all the trades. I said 1,004. I'm sitting on 2,055. Like the profit is 470. So thank you. I've closed my trade with you guys. Thank you. Till I come yet another time with another trade. Thank you. Bye.